learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Hakka Training on ICRT. And this month we're taking you to Taitung County. Today, in particular, a very famous township known as Chishang. Now, they're famous for their rice, but today we're not just going to talk about that. We're going to talk about the settlement of Hakka people here over the years. 今天呢，我们要带大家到台东县非常知名的池上。当然，大家都知道这边的米饭非常有名哦。但我们今天呢，要来多了解一下客家人移民过来之后落地生根的一些点点滴滴喽。哦 ，Leo 好饱哦！我刚刚吃了好多这边好吃的池上米饭了。
我知道啊，你的脸上都呆翻薄啊，
有翻薄哪里？
嘴角了，你看，
真的有饭粒。可是吃饱了之后啊，我一直有一个疑问，为什么叫池上啊？
是这边有一个大的池塘叫做大波池，在这边，这个池上的地名就是从这边来的。
了解 ，OK。那这边好像很多客家人从这个西部这边移民过来嘛。那他们哪一区的这个客家人移民过来？
哪一区？我告诉你，北中南都有，所以你听他们讲话的腔调，就发现他有讲四县，有讲海陆，所以就发展出特殊的纵谷四海腔。
变成四县
跟海陆
加在一起变四海。
对，
四海腔这是蛮特殊的一个当地的一个腔调了，就对了。
对啊。另外我们来到这里，当然你一定会看到这边主要祭拜的就是够雅。
我以为会是什么神农大帝之类的。
就是神农大帝啊。
够雅就是神农大帝啊。
对，但是我们的讲法不一样。
五谷就是跟农产品有关，最主要的五谷啊。
对啊。
所以更亲民一点呢，叫
够雅。
OK， 够雅。好，太丰富的池上之旅喽，我们走。
Nature lovers visiting Taitung would be remiss to pass up a trip to Chishang. As the name suggests, there's a wonderful pond there, around which winds a bike path populated with all sorts of beautiful birds and other fantastic fauna. The huge Hakka population immigrated from all corners of Taiwan, so their dialect is an eclectic mix of Hakka dialects, and they still keep the old traditions, with many temples to see. It's also home to Eastern Taiwan's only written word incinerator, which the Hakka use to venerate language written on paper rather than throwing it away.
Now let's teach you some of these useful words in Hakka, such as a lunchbox, 便当，
翻宝，
对，翻宝，
也可以讲偏董，
偏董 ，OK, and the god of agriculture, 就是五谷大帝嘛，怎么说？
够雅，
够雅。And now we know a little bit more about Chishang, and that does it for today's Hakka Training on ICRT.
什么太嘎？
俺只say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.